While it sits above the EOS 70D in the Canon DSLR lineup, the EOS 70 Mark II is only around 90 grams heavier. At 910 grams, body only, and 148.6 by 112.4 by 78. 2 millimeters. However, it is a little heavier and larger than the original EOS 7D. Some of this change in weight may be attributed to the Mark II's improved dust and water resistance, which makes it the second most weather-resistant Canon DSLR after the EOS 1DX. Thanks in part to its magnesium alloy chassis, the new camera certainly feels solid enough and comfortable in the hand. The textured coating on the grips give good purchase. The thumb bridge on the rear is particularly good, and it feels like an enthusiast-level camera should. This is matched by a claimed shutter durability of 200,000 cycles. The most noticeable difference on the back of the camera is the arrival of a sprung selection lever around the mini joystick control. Although the 7D Mark II makes a few changes to the control layout, users of the original EOS 70 will soon find themselves at home. The most noticeable difference on the back of the camera is the arrival of a sprung selection lever around the mini joystick control. This acts as a kind of function controller for the main control dial in front of the shutter release on the top of the camera. When the switch is in use, the dial can be used to adjust one of a small collection of features including sensitivity. The preferred option is selected via the customization option in the menu. In addition to sensitivity, it can be set to setting the f-point, A-lock hold, switching to the central, or registered, f-point and accessing exposure compensation. Turning to the top of the camera, everything is as it was before apart from the addition of a lock on the mode dial. While this is useful for preventing the dial from being knocked out of place, it would be better if it was the type of lock that you can choose to use or not. As it is, it has to be pressed to allow the dial to be rotated.